Looking for the best phone handheld gimbals? In this video, we're going to take a look at 7 of the top gimbals available on the market today. Whether you're a content creator or just want smoother footage, these gimbals can take your videos to the next level. We've also included Amazon links in the description, so be sure to check those out to find one that fits your budget. Let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer is a 3-axis phone gimbal that provides cinematic smoothness by compensating for unwanted movements. It has a quick launch feature that allows for easy setup and an upgraded Active Track 5.0 that follows your subject smoothly. The lightweight and foldable design makes it portable and easy to take anywhere, while the built-in extension rod allows for creative angles and perfect selfies. The gimbal also features simple guides, one-tap editing, and intuitive control, including a side wheel that adjusts focus and zoom. It is compatible with phones weighing 170 to 290 g and with thicknesses of 6.9 to 10 mm and widths of 67 to 84 mm. What we like: easy to set up with quick launch feature. Provides cinematic smoothness with 3-axis stabilization technology. Lightweight and portable with a foldable design. Allows for creative angles and perfect selfies with built-in extension rod. Intelligent with simple guides, one-tap editing, and intuitive control. Number 2. DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal is a portable and foldable smartphone gimbal designed for both Android and iPhone users. With its magnetic clamp, you can easily snap it on and off, making it perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments. The upgraded Active Track 6.0 feature allows the gimbal to track moving subjects, such as your energetic kids or playful pets, ensuring you never miss a moment. Additionally, the DJI Mimo app provides shot-by-shot assistance with shot guides and a variety of templates for effortless editing. The 3-axis stabilization and next-gen control algorithm guarantees smooth and professional-looking footage. Whether you're shooting dramatic scenes or casual social media content, you can effortlessly switch between landscape and portrait modes. The DJI Osmo Mobile SE Gimbal also features a new status panel for easy monitoring of battery level and gimbal mode. Its stain-resistant and non-slip coating, along with the ergonomic grip, ensures a secure and comfortable hold. Compatible with most iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Huawei series, this gimbal is a must-have for vlogging and capturing memorable moments on the go. What we like: portable and foldable. Upgraded Active Track 6.0 for tracking. Effortless editing with DJI Mimo app. Number 3. hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. Upgrade your smartphone videography with the hohem M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. This 3-axis phone gimbal features an AI tracker with an adjustable fill light, allowing you to smoothly track subjects without the need for Bluetooth or apps. The fill light offers customizable cool and warm light options, as well as 360 RGB ambient colors for shooting in low-light environments. With the 7th Gen iSteady stabilization algorithm, you can capture stable and smooth footage, no matter your skill level. The gimbal also offers unlimited shooting angles with its Inception mode, allowing for 360 degrees rotation vertically and horizontally. Additionally, the M6 Kit Gimbal has a large load capacity, for expansion ports for connecting accessories, and a long-lasting 18-hour battery life. Take your mobile photography and videography to new heights with the hohem M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. What we like: AI tracker with adjustable fill light. Unlimited shooting angles. 7th Gen iSteady stabilization algorithm. Number 4. AOCHUAN 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer for Smartphone. AOCHUAN Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer is a versatile stabilizer compatible with all smartphones under 7 inches. It features intelligent 7.0 anti-shake technology for steady photos and videos, a smart tracking system for precise tracking, gesture control for hands-free operation, and a magnetic fill light with various colors and brightness levels. The stabilizer's long battery life, lightweight, and portable design make it ideal for capturing moments on the go. What we like: universal compatibility, intelligent anti-shake technology, smart tracking and gesture control. Number 5. AOCHUAN Foam Gimbal Stabilizer. AOCHUAN Smartphone Foldable Gimbal is a powerful 3-axis stabilizer designed for smartphones like iPhones and most Android phones. Its portable and foldable design makes it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, and sports scenarios. With a focus wheel and zoom slide, you can shoot like a pro without complicated skills. The long-lasting battery allows up to 10 hours of continuous shooting, perfect for various video creations. The AI Face Track 4.0 feature and Smart 7.0 anti-shake smooth technology ensure professional videography output. What we like: versatile compatibility, portable and lightweight, all-day battery life. Number 6. JCROBOT 3-axis phone gimbal with magnetic AI tracker. Experience the convenience of the JCROBOT phone gimbal with tracker. Capture smooth and stable footage effortlessly with the magnetic AI tracker, eliminating the need for any app. Easily stabilize your videos with a user-friendly interface, ensuring professional quality results every time. Benefit from gesture control and fill light features, allowing you to control tracking and lighting settings with ease. Enjoy the simplicity of mounting and shooting at multiple angles without the hassle of leveling adjustments. Stay ready for any adventure with its portable and foldable design. What we like: easy stabilization, gesture control, portable and foldable. Number 7. AOCHUAN Smart X Gimbal Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN Gimbal Stabilizer is a compact 3-axis stabilizer that helps you capture steady and smooth videos with its powerful brushless motor and anti-shake algorithm. Its foldable design makes it portable, and the built-in LED fill light enhances night shots. The intuitive AOCHUAN app offers features like face tracking, gesture control, and beauty filters for easy videography. You can mount accessories like a video light or microphone, and the replaceable battery design ensures convenience for outdoor shooting. What we like: compact and portable, enhanced video stability, intuitive app features,